Hello, good morning. Today we shall learn the fact about Fernando Amorsolo. This activity is Jake 123. Fernando AmorsoloCueto, he was born May 30, 1892 at Manila in the Captaincy General of the Philippines, Spanish Empire. He died April 24, 1972 at the age of 79, Quezon City, Philippines, in the Loyal Memorial Park in Marikina, Philippines. Fernando Amorsolo was one of the most important artists in the history of painting in the Philippines. Amorsolo was a portraitist and painter of rural Philippines landscapes. He is popularly known for his craftsmanship and mastery in the use of light. Fernando AmorsoloCueto is the Philippines' first national artist in painting 1972, the so-called Grand Old Man of Philippines art. Amorsolo earned a degree from the Liceo de Manila Art School in 1909 and entered the University of the Philippines or UP School of the Fine Arts. And he graduated with honors from UP in 1914 and got study grant in Madrid, Spain. He was also able to visit New York, where he encountered post-war Impressionism and Cubism, which will be major influence on his work. As Amorsolo, Philippines' first national artist in painting 1972, this is a few work of Amorsolo's work. First, this painting is about afternoon meal of the rice workers, painted in 1951, oil on canvas, won first prize at the New York World's Fair. This painting is about mango pickers, oil on canvas, and painted in 1936. While this painting is about Filipino fruit gatherer, oil on board, it painted in 1950, a specimen of Amorsolo's conception of an ideal Filipina beauty. This beautiful painting of Filipina is about Palay Meeting. At this time, this is the others Amorsolo's work and so on. That's all 5 aspects of Fernando Amorsolo's life that presented by Sumpingan Alima M. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he or she grows up. End of digital report presentation that presented to Mrs. Juhara C. Bayabaw Agni. Thank you.